Hello YouTubers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before starting today, we are going to discuss about how to promote your YouTube videos with Google AdWords. Want to promote your YouTube channel? Wondering how to get started? In this video, I will discover how to set up a Google AdWords campaign with your YouTube videos. Number one method is set up an AdWord campaign. When you know your audience and create awesome videos that offer value to that audience, promoting video with AdWords can help grow your YouTube channel. Although building a YouTube channel based purely on ads does not work, obviously you need an AdWords account to start. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Next, link your AdWords account to your YouTube channel. To do so, click the Tools, Bidding and Setting icons. After you complete the basic setup of your AdWords account, you are ready to create a new campaign in AdWords. In the left hand column, select Campaign, then click on the sign icon in the blue circle and select New Campaign from the menu that appears. You can then choose one of the two goals of your AdWords campaign or create a campaign without a goal. Brand awareness and reach. When you select brand awareness and reach, your ad can reach a lot of people for a small amount of money. This goal is recommended for bloggers who are interested in surfacing their channel and content to new viewers and subscribers. Second, product and brand consideration. Using this goal means you will appear in YouTube search results as people are searching or shopping for products. On the next screen, you set the budget and other details for your campaign. First, give your campaign a name that will help you distinguish it from your other campaigns. Then set a daily budget. A good starting budget is $5 per day. In the network area, clear the video partners on the display network checkbox so that your ad does not appear in irrelevant websites. This idea is that you want people in a blog watching mindset to see your ad. The language, location and device setting help you begin narrowing the audience for your ad campaign. For language, if your audience is primarily English speaking, you can target only people who speak English. You can reach more people by selecting multiple languages. The location setting up, you define your audience by where they are located. However, you can make the location targeted broader or narrower than a single country. You can also exclude countries or location if necessary. Device language settings can be useful if your ad is relevant only the iOS devices. So do not specify devices unless you have a strong reason to do so, even if you are making videos about iOS. Frequency capping allow you to limit how many times an individual user see your ads. AdWords define an impression as any time your ad is shown. For AdWords to code a view for frequency capping purposes, users need to engage with your ad or watch your video for at least 30 seconds. To maximize your budget, it is crucial to limit impressions to 2 per day. With content exclusion, you can filter out sensitive content and content types so your ad reaches a slightly better audience than the default. With the settings shown in the following figures, the sensitive filter will be stronger. Showing your ad when content is not labeled also helps. The ad schedule setting can rotate evenly or be optimized for views. After your campaign settings are done, the next step is to set up the ad group within your campaign. Second method is organize the ad group within your campaign. You can create several ad groups within a single AdWord campaign. YouTube videos that you want to promote via ads. To understand the tactic outlined in this article and choose the ad group settings that promote your YouTube videos. You want each ad group to target the same keyword or YouTube content. The targeting determines who see your videos, such as people searching a specific keyword or people watching a certain YouTube channel. Also, every video in this group uses either in-stream discovery ad type. The different ad type determine whether your ad appears on YouTuber video people want to see, whereas discovery ad appear as suggestion alongside whether videos the viewer is watching. For each campaign, create ad group based on both the type and the targeting. In other words, including the following ad group for each campaign: discovery placement, discovery keywords; in-stream placement, stream keywords. With this structure, you maximize the budget for each campaign. The ads in each campaign compete with each other, and the best one will use the budget. It's awesome. Similarly, with the discovery ads, you pay only when someone clicks to watch it. The ability to shift your ad to discovery ad has numerous advantages. You will attract only interested viewers who deliver good view rates and more likely to subscribe to your YouTube channel. The third method is create each ad group for your campaign. To create the first ad group in the campaign, you simply scroll down to create your ad group area right below the campaign details. Then in building areas, add your bid max for maximum CPV as well as any adjustment for popular videos. Your maximum CPV bid is the highest price you would like to pay when a potential customer clicks your ad. When you adjust bidding for popular video, you increase the chance your video ad will appear on YouTube most popular videos or channels. Enter the bid adjustment as a percentage of your maximum CPV bid. The demographics area in AdWords allow you to define your audience by gender, age, parental status, and income. To find which demographic setting will help you reach your prospective customer, check out your YouTube analytics. To further refine the targeting for your ads, you can use keyword, topics, or placement. When you are getting started promoting video with ad keywords, pick one of these. Placements are a great starting point and the most useful because you can target video ads to specific YouTube channel or video. It's amazing. The fourth method is create the ad for your video. After you set up campaign and group category, you can start adding videos you want to promote. To create your first ad, scroll down to the area for creating an ad. Paste the link to a YouTube video and choose the ad type. Pick an auto-generated photo that will appear in your ad. One of the options will be the thumbnail you design for the video. When you are done setting up the first ad, you can continue to create ad group and add videos to each group. And you maximize the impact of your ad even with a limited budget. The fifth method is key metrics to evaluate video ad performance via ad keyword analytics. As mentioned earlier in this article, you will get the best result when your targeting is right. Check out the analytics in your AdWords dashboard and pay particular attention to the following parameters. Number 1, views rate, percentage view rate until 75%, engagement. After look for relevant keywords in your ad group setup. Last but not least, check your video's content, such as encouraging viewers to like your videos or subscribe. Conclusion: after you invest in creating excellent content for YouTube audience, using AdWords to promote your YouTube videos can boost their visibility on the platform and help you grow your channel. Also, with the tactics in this video, you can organize a campaign that includes all of the options you need. What do you think? Will you try promoting YouTube videos with AdWords? If you have tried AdWords to promote video, what technique works well for you? Please share. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.